Hey, fabulous Fabville residents. This is an exclusive tour for those of you who already live here that may be unaware of all the construction that has been going on in our growing town. So, I want to give you guys a private tour of our upper and lower west end of town so that you'll know it is up and running for business. We have added Dairy Queen, Big Po's Dairy Queen down here on this end. You can also bus your kids to a school down here if you want to. We have things down here on this end of town for adults and children. Hey, Bob, how you doing out there, buddy? Yeah. And so we also have a new complex of luxury apartments. They are actually renting them out right now. You will want to contact Kendra. She's the building owner there. Not sure what the rent is, but it's a very nice, luxurious place. And it's surrounded by all kinds of shops. Look at Kiwi Cooper. She has a post office. She has gifts and cards you can buy and send out. Oh, and we still have payphones too. Everybody don't have cell phones. You can go over here to the Nutcracker shop. They offer all kinds of little services and stuff. He in there cooking some, what's that smell? Smells like a chili cheese corn dog. I've never had that in my life, but that's just what I smell. And here's Kendra's school. She also, I'm not sure if this is middle school or high school, but once you contact her, she'll let you know about the curriculum and all. And then we also have a woodworking place. Sorry. But okay, this is also where Kendra and her family lives in these luxurious brownstones. Fancy. I think that's Dad sitting out there with the grandbaby. And hey, Monique, what you doing in there, girl? Cooking collards. Okay, all right. Well, somebody in your yard loading up snowballs, honey. Do you know him? Okay. Well, when you get done doing all that stuff, you can come over here to JoJo's Grand Theater. I don't know what's playing, but I do know they serve food in there as well when you're watching the movie. Yeah. And then we have, what is this? Claus Cottage. Hey, Santa Claus. Hey, Miss Claus. What's she in there doing here? Cheryl, let's get out these people. Honey, I don't know what Miss Claus in there doing, but she got her arms up in the air. Oh, and then check out Yaya's Yummies. She also sells edibles for the adults. Just tell her the mayor told you. And then, of course, we got the woodworking, like I was saying. Listen, my tour guide skills, I'm a woman of many things, okay? I'm the mayor. I'm trying to do this tour guide in this deep snow. We just opened up a new daycare center. It's open 24 hours, 7 days a week. They enjoy keeping other people's kids. Also, we have a boathouse that offers training for people who want to learn how to boat, sail. And you see these guys right here practicing, right there practicing. You can get your bait and tackle if you're an experienced boater for some fishing. We have some ponds around the town. They're froze over right now, due to the winter. But we still have them. And then Carrie and Felicia Soul Food, some of the best food in Fabville, okay? Some of the best. I don't think they serve chitterlings. Chitlins. They don't serve that. And then, of course, we have Sabrina Douglas. Hey, girl, hey. Now, listen, I forgot to turn their lights on because I'm doing two jobs, honey. I'm mayoring, and I'm tour guiding. And I forgot to turn their lights on, but they have paid their rent. I mean, their, not rent, their utilities. And their land stay right there. And boy, you better not throw that snowball at nobody. Now, listen, if you own this is the upper west end of our town. So if you're on this side of town, catch the train, come on over, check out the shops, send your child to school over here, get some woodworking in, get some fine dining in, do all the things, okay? Now, let me take you on a tour of our lower west end, in case, again, you don't know that these shops are now open for business to all the Fabville residents. And we got quite a lot going on here on this strip. Now, this is like our central, one of our central parks areas here as well. We also have a workshop over here owned by Emily. Let's see if we can get close and see what she got going on. I'm trying to, be the best tour guide I can, but the snow is deep. Okay, sorry. All right, so she sells plush animals. Your kids can come over here and Build-A-Bear type situation. And then, of course, we got a tree lot because we got trees for days for sale. And look at him in there. Always got an attitude. Sir, serve somebody some hot beverages and stop the attitude stuff over here in Fabville. And look at him, went to the grocery store. He must have came all the way from the other side, which you guys haven't seen yet. So stay tuned for that. He might be waiting on the train. Now, we have a lot of trains that will get you anywhere you want to go in Fabville. We have some local commutes, and then we have our larger railroads for longer commutes. Hey, Sally and Bob, y'all making any money? Anybody lost their mortgage paid? Okay, you want to talk about it? All right, and then, of course, we got Walmart. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can get anything you want out of Walmart for free. And Robin McCoy and her family lives over there. Hey, y'all, where y'all about to go? The conversation looks deep. Oh, and if you're down here, we have a new bowling alley that has an attached restaurant to it where you can get you some ribs and some brisket, all the things back there. Have a seat, you can eat outside. Hey, boy, where your mom at? Oh, right there. Oh, she taking a picture for Instagram. Okay. Also, we have we got a lot of our businesses that work together to make things happen. Like we got another Soul Cafe back there. Farm to table situation. Because up on the hill we got some farms. We run our own. Now this lady here is the one who let that pig out. That pig has been wandering around the streets of Wonderland Mountain. And I'm going to need her to get over there and get that pig back over here with the rest of these animals. Y'all move out the way so we can count this lady animals. Child, these animals, honey, she has no control over this petting zoo now. It's animals on top of people's businesses. But yeah, she get her animals from up there on the farm that you eating at this restaurant right here. Good fresh meat. Now, all that pottery you see in here, I did that. Because, the mayor has double duties, and I take pottery over here at her studio. And you can needle quilt and all that other stuff. It's just a whole arts and crafts place. Make sure you come and check this out when you visit down here on this part of town. Now, let me get from up here at Kendra's train station. Now, this is one of our main train stations. This is the one you will catch for your larger trains in and out of Fabville. And then the smaller ones that are all around town are for local travel. But any train will get you anywhere you want to go in Fabville. So I hope you guys that are already living here, make sure you come on down to the upper and lower west end of our fabulous town and check things out. You may not be aware of some of the new businesses. And meet the business owners, by the way. everything here is free. And yeah. Now, where they about to go, Chad? Are they probably going to catch the train? Well, it was a pleasure having you. Look at him. There you go, y'all. Now, this boy done... Get back over there in that pen where you belong. Get back over there. He done travel all the way from over there. Let me show y'all where he came. Child, he came from over there at her petting zoo. Or he could have came from right up there at that farm. Either way, the mayor has work to do. Get on home, Sizzling Bacon. Get home right now.